Ayan, wedding ring, ah. Dumitingin ako ng wedding ring. Ayan. So nice. Ayan pa. White gold. Ayan. Good morning, people. Hi, how are you? Nandito ako sa escalator. I'm going to upstairs. Shopping mall. But, ayan. Titingin ako ng books. Wait lang, ha? I'm going to buy a book. Wait. I'm gonna buy books here. Ang ganda ng sa school. And then, I'm gonna go look around, guys. Okay. Ito, guys, ang ganda. Scarf. What lang siya? 10 pounds. Oh my god, this is amazing. Like cowboy. Maganda naman. Teka, nahulog na tuloy. Okay guys, I think I need to choose myself now. Oh, I love the heart. But it's too big. Para tayong policeman. It's still cute. I love it. 20 pounds. It's really cute. Okay. Anyway. Ang ganda na. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. Okay, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlogging ko ngayon. At, well, I'm gonna come back to buy something, but I need to do something else. See you in a bit, and hopefully you like it. Mwah! God bless you, bye. Good morning, guys. Nandito ako sa shop. Ang ringing coffee. And this one. It's really nice. Salted caramel is really amazing. Lovely. This shop is amazing. I love the chocolate. I love it. It's so yummy. Yan. Thank you for watching. Sana na-enjoy kayo, guys. Ang sarap. Salted caramel. Okay. I love it. I love it. ito mga Nike siya. Ito maganda. 50 pounds. 50 pound people. Not too bad. Okay. I need to... Oh, I like the umbrella. I like the umbrella this one. This one. 7 pounds. I think this one umbrella. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda kasi. Okay guys, ayan ang sport diary. Okay guys, lumabas na ako. I'm going to my friend. And then, after paglabas ni Sander, going to shopping. Ayan, nabibig na tayo. So, ano ba? Ang heavy nga eh. Okay people, I need to go my friend to meet her. And then, wala lang. Naglalakad tayo, sinisipan ako. So, mag-ingat po tayo ngayon kasi sobrang lamig. Very cold and what amazing day. Look. Naglakad lang pa ako kasi maganda naman pang naglakad magandang araw. Sarado ko lang yung coats ko, yeah. Ayan, thank God. Alright, look at this. Okay people, good morning. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung vlogging ko. And then, lumalakad ako. Malamig. And then, ayan. Oh my God. Sabay kasi ako bumalik. Akala ko na ano. So, okay guys. Ngayon na sabi ko, I meet my friend. And then, I'm going out. Napakaganda ng araw. Malamig lang. It's really nice. Really good weather today in the UK. So, masarap po. Ayan. Tahimik. Masaya. I'm just walking. Alam niyo po yung ano, pag nag-walk ka, if you're walking, it's really good for you guys, for your health, for your heart, for your bones, for muscling, for everything in your body. So, okay. Ayan. Ayan. Yung view ng London. Ito naman talaga siya yung pinaka-base ng London. So, mahirap kasi ngayon mag-travel. So, dapat stay home muna and be aware sa lahat. Kaya, yun lang po. And, masaya yung araw. Thank you and salamat. Nagpapasalamat pa ako. Thank you sa inyong lahat. People, thank you to all, everyone. And greeting from We Love for the World with the Cardinal de Santa Yosepimo. And then, salamat po and mabuhay kayo lagi and God bless. Yung bagahe ko, I mean. Yung dala ko medyo heavy. Ayan, meron tayo ngayong flow. A bit low. So, but, okay guys, thank you for your watching and have a nice, great day. Lovely weekend to everyone and God bless. Take care, all of you guys. And I love you all. And wow, from Ricardo no nasa natin yung September. Okay, done. Dito na. And the kitchen, we are fire. Thank you. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa accessory of ayan Ayan. Okay. Ito, maganda. Ah, I love it. Guys, pasok tayo dito, okay? And let's go! Have a look! Have a look what's going on in here. It's all beautiful, okay guys? Amazing. This is nice. The yellow one thing. That's perfect. Pink. I love this dress. It's amazing. Ayan. Tingin tayo kasi it's sale. Ang daming mabibili. Tingnan mo yung mga t-shirt. Wait guys. Oh look, I love t-shirt. Huh? Tingnan mo. 3 pounds. Not too bad. Pang araw-araw. Just for everyday. Nice, huh? I love it. Why not, guys? If you can buy very cheap, it's not cheap. If you can buy a cheaper or expensive, some is the same quality. Okay, so the expensive one is nice quality. So for me, I think it's better not too expensive. Magaan pa sa bulsa. Ito, cute. Oh. May design siya. Only 6 pound, people. So, before it's like 10 pound. Why not? Okay, guys. This, I love it. Oh my god. It's nice, huh? I love it. Okay, guys. Anyway, ko lang yung aking dala-dala. Okay, yes, I love it. Anyway, I'm vlogging for a beautiful dress. Bibili tayo, guys. But naghahanap muna ako. I'm just buying, but I'm gonna be, you know, treat myself. Why not, guys? Why not? Okay. But naghahanap ako the best one. I like the best one, but I like it. Yung mura lang. Kaya sa bulsa, okay? Yung mura lang, na kaya sa bulsa. Not it's so expensive. I don't like to be really expensive, people. This is nice. It's not too bad. 15 pounds. It's before it's like 39, like 40. Come on. Skirt, but it's still big. Like, look the price. Amazing. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, people. Okay, guys. Wait, kasi wala pa dyan yung gusto ko. So, nandito ako sa S&M to. Maganda naman ang quality ng S&M. Ayun ako dito magandang. Ano. Magandang gusto. Ayan. Doon tayo. Yung mga accessory. I love it. Anyway, I love it. Dito kaya. Oh. I like the dress as well. And this one is dress. Come on. Wow. 29 pounds. Oh, look at this. 29 pounds. Like 30 pounds. Wait a guys. Sometimes you can find it is beautiful and amazing. And I love the accessory as well. I love it. Well, yan. Ayan, may sale. Teka, tingin tayo sa mga panty. Tingnan mo yung mga panty. Swimsuit. I love it. Oh, come on. I think it's too big for me. Talaga. The bra. Ito. Pakita ko yung panty. Ayan. Sumusuot ba kayo ng ganyan? Sumusuot ka ng ganyan. I already tried this. Not too bad. Yun lang nga. Puwit lang napapantihan. Okay. Meron ako yan, people. Meron ako yan. Nakakatawa, no? So, ayan. Hinahanap ko kasi yung, I love it. That is amazing. Ang dami kasi, dapat maghahanap ka ng workbook. Oh my God. You know what? The price is amazing price. 2 pounds. I love it. Yes. Anyway, summer is coming. It's 2 pounds. But it's nice. Oh, look at this price. Did you see? Well, before it's like 5 pounds. Not too bad. And this one, I'm gonna buy for you. This one maganda kasi may panty na siya. Oh, this is nice. How much is this? 14 pounds, people. I think it's not sale. Just mix this. Okay, kuha tayo ng swimsuit, yeah? Ayan, 5 pounds. Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman. I don't know. Oh! Look at this. Ito. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ito. Puwit na lang ang makikita dyan, oh. Nakakatawa. Pag hindi ka sanay, wag kang susuot. Kasi, if you're not used to it, wearing fancy, don't wear. This is I love it. So, amazing. Ito, oh. Ang ganda na. Sa swimming mo lang siya. Anong size kaya to? I'm gonna buy it. 18 pounds. Not too bad. But maganda naman yung quality niya, people. Ang ganda. Okay. Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Marami kang makikita dito, guys. This is London. Ang daming sale. Lalo na kapag may oh. That's nice, huh? Very sexy. Kaya lang, ang mahal ng price. Ang mahal yung ano. Oh, wow. 20 pounds. Ayan, 20 pounds. Okay. Antonia, hanap tayo ng maganda. I love this. Oh. Oh, this is perfect. I think it's so nice. Isn't it? 9 pounds. Like 10 pounds. Not too bad. I love this. Bagay ito sa akin. Mamaya, balikan tayo. Balikan kita, okay? Mamaya. Later.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Setmo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love